Hey guys, what is up? It is Tuesday, September 19th, 2017. Now, on Monday, there's something in my eye. I have decided to start jotting down of stuff that I did over the day, and I would do the second period, fifth period, and at the end of the day. Stop it! If you hear that buzzing with my phone. So, here's what it looks like. All this and the highlight stuff is what I'm going to read. Can read that. Pause it if you want to see my whole day. Good luck. So, pretty much what I did on Monday was I drove to school, and that was okay. And I met up with my friends. Stop it! And I went to Spanish. Now in Spanish we had, God, I'm getting spammed here. I got a 26 out of 35 on my test, or quiz. I'm not doing so good in Spanish. Like, I have an F right now last time I checked, and that's failing. So, I mean, okay, I study, I do my homework, I suck at quizzes. I'm just gonna say that right now. I don't suck, because I just don't pay attention. I pay attention very well. I have so many notes, and a very personal binder. I would get it, but I don't know where it is. So, in foods, we saw a Pilgrim video. So that was interesting. Just still water in here. Interesting. And that's when my shoulder started hurting again. But it wasn't hurting like here or here. It started hurting like here. So I just got ice for it and just carried that around until like fourth period. After that I was a TA, getting all my classes. And she made me go get some copies. So it was okay. At lunch, that's where it got entertaining, because me and my ex got into a fight. And so, because we were putting ice down each other's shirts, and I was going like this on the ground, trying not to get ice on my shirt. And then he got down, and I went up to go put it down his shirt, and I guess he was mad, or just annoyed with me to the point where he took this shoulder, which still hurts, by the way. He went like this, trying and pulling. And I was like, boy, what are you doing? So that hurt a lot more. And then after lunch, I have advanced sport activity, which is PE for people who didn't pass the fitnessgram. And the fitnessgram is, you have to pass, or you could fail two things. Well, you could fail one thing, but I failed two. And you have to pass the BMI, the flexibility, which is where you go like this, and reach down, like, hard to show you. Like, you reach down here and then grab your other hand. You have to be able to do that. Then you have to be able to touch your toes. Running, I failed that. Push-ups, I think, well, it depends on your age, too. But girls, I think, had to pass done 7, while boys had to do 15, if at the age 16. So, half. What else is there? There's a trunk lift, or like the arch in your back, you just go like that. I think that's it. That's all you have to pass. And I failed the BMI and the running. I'm not a runner, I'm a swimmer. Just gonna say that now. So, depending on your BMI is where you place in the running. If you have a heavier BMI, you have to run faster, because heavier people have to run faster. It makes no logic, but And well, it does make logic, because what the BMI says is like, if you're overweight, then that means that your blood circulates your body fine. And that means that you could do more stuff. Well, if you're skinnier, it doesn't circulate that well, and you have to run slower. So, my mile had to be, like, what? I think it was 8 minutes. I'm not running 8-minute miles. I'm saying that now I run 12 minutes or more. Well, most of you will be like, damn, you run 12 minutes or more? I run 9 minutes, boy. And it's like, well, that's still not 8. You can run 6-minute miles and either you're young or damn, you run. But yeah, so in PE, we did deadlift. And I was okay with doing that because it doesn't hurt my shoulders when I deadlift. Deadlift is where, I'll show you this. So like, yes, this is geared. So, my bar. So, this is the bar. And you have to bend, this is the back. So you have to go back straight, pick it up, stand up, and then put it back down, and then do that. I might film it for you guys if I want to, later on in the year. So, I deadlifted 135 30 times. Just 30. Not times 30, but yeah. What I was supposed to deadlift was 125 20 times, so beat that up. And I did 30 times because I wanted to like push myself along with pushing the weight. So yeah, my max on that is 165 for 3 times. And I find it cool because I'm 165 pounds. Now if you look at me, I have broad shoulders, by the way. I'm not big, but like, I'm a pretty skinny person. I don't have that much muscle. For me to like be able to lift and pick, like stand up straight with 165 pounds of weight 3 times, that means I can go to the edge of a cliff. Got my Pokemon cards here. Go to an edge of a cliff, be hanging off, stay, and be able to pick myself up 3 times. That's amazing for me. Pull-ups, on the other hand, I cannot do that, so I have to be the one standing and falling. Makes sense in time travel. In Algebra 2, because I'm a junior and I take Algebra 2, I'm not that smart. We did a chapter test. Let me read to you the first question on the test here. And if you can answer it correctly, then you're smarter than me. Alright, ready? Alright. I'll write this out for you and like put it on there. Alright, so a person has 1,350 in her bank account at the beginning of the year. She makes the deposit once a month for 12 months, every month at the deposit, and plus $10. Then the month before. At the end of the 12 months, she has $5,550. How much was the last deposit? The answers you have to get right, because this is multiple choice, is A, $295, B, $350, C, $395, or D, $405. Put your answers in the comments below. I will also have the screenshot up, maybe. So after that, which was difficult as all hell, I can't have the test here, but I got a page like this, because she collected the cheat sheets too, and I filled this much, like all of this here, not the bottom, but just the top, with that one thing. I still didn't get the answer. Neither was I correct. And I'm not good with money. You guys might be. You guys might be a 7th grader and be like, psh, it's, I know the answer. I'll tell you the answer next video. But, oh my god, I hated that. So, after that, I went driving with my driving instructor. I didn't do so well. Like, I did better my second time than I did my third. And that's because I was just nervous. I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to take my driving test in 2 days. Oh my gosh, shaking, grabbing the wheel as firm as I can, just, yeah. So after a while, she's like, after an hour, because you drive for 2 hours, she was like, okay, Alex, just take a breath. I know you're still nervous and that you're not used to this car because you have your own car and then you drive this car. This is my car. This is the other car that you drive. And it's like trained for students. And like the brakes are a lot rougher, I guess. / more like, you have to step on them harder, but yet they go like easier. Like they apply more pressure. Which makes sense. But my brakes, they're like, don't work. Okay, you're stopping. And it's just, yeah, that's my car. So, yeah, tomorrow's gonna be Thursday. So they're gonna be using this journal. And, yeah, hope it all goes well. See you guys tomorrow.